Hey there, I'm Sneha and you are watching my channel Book Junction. Welcome to today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you some very simple and easy tips that will help you to make your notes look presentable, prettier and of course a bit more structured. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. Now this one has to be one of the most highly requested videos, and I have not made this one complicated. I have shared some very simple things actually, because I know that everyone does not have a lot of time. So I have shared only those tips that will not take up a lot of time. So I really hope that you will enjoy this video. So now let's begin. Alright, so now let's start with the very basic thing, that is to give your paper or to give your notes a structure. And I think drawing margins on all the four sides gives this box effect and it instantly brings structure to your notes, because honestly if you don't have margins all over, then it just looks very scattered, and it doesn't matter if you do anything crazy or not with your notes. If you have this box pattern, it will instantly make your notes look much more organized. So either you can go for thin lines or you can also go for wide margins like this one, wide lines. So this will instantly make it look like you have actually put in effort, and you will, when you will read your notes, everything will be much more structured. Now when it comes to the title, that is maybe the name of your chapter or whatsoever, so I think this style is the easiest, and also this looks so fancy and it does not really require a lot of effort. You just use a simple highlighter pen to first write the heading and then just overlay or overwrite with your pen, and it looks so fancy. You can also add color by just drawing two lines, or if you don't want to make anything much more complicated, then just simply write the chapter name and draw these two lines. So you can also draw these banners to write headings or even the name of the chapter if you want to. So I think particularly this is good for writing headings because it shows off and it just looks so pretty. So, and it's very simple as well. As you can see, I just draw these lines and then just connect all of these. So first you can either draw it with a pencil and then with a pen, but eventually when you draw it a lot, it will become easy for you to draw even with your hands. So I think this looks so pretty, and then just write the heading of whatever you are reading. Or you can also use these tips for your journal, by the way. This is not only limited to your study notes, you can use it for anything, and just adding a little bit of color will bring such great looks out of this, trust me. And I particularly love this design. The next design is also very simple, but trust me, it looks like it's printed and it just gives such professional vibes, and it looks like you have actually printed it and not written it. So just two boxes, not even two boxes, one simple box, and then just you add this shadow kind of effect and just add diagonal lines, and it looks so good as if it's printed, and then just write the heading or whatsoever. Now if you don't want to go for diagonal lines, if that is too much work or if you're not good at it, then you can just add some color. I'm using my highlighter, but you can use your sketch pens as well. Whatever I have shared in this video, you can definitely replace the highlighter with any sketch pen or pen, even like pencil color. So whatever you have, just use that. You don't have to feel pressured to use these products only. Anyway, moving forward, when it comes to subheadings and anything like that, I feel like making a lot of boxes will make everything look very cluttered. So when it comes to subheadings, just write your subheading and then draw these lines. What these lines do is that it brings really a lot of structure and everything looks so clean and organized. Now this tip is particularly for those people who are just not into drawing anything at all. You can use these flags or pointers or whatsoever you want to call them and write the heading, title and subheading. Now of course I do not recommend this for everyone, but if you are like you just don't want to draw anything but you still want your notes to look pretty, then I think this is the easiest way to do that. Also, in case you don't want to draw these shadow boxes with every heading or whatsoever, then you can just make these boxes in a much bigger size and then write everything in them. Maybe whatever it is, your definition or whatsoever. As I said, you can also use it for your journal and all. So you can make such boxes and write maybe gratitude in one and anything like that. Moving forward, you can also use different color of pens for different things, like orange for heading, pink for subheading, green color for only important words that you can either highlight or either you can write them with a different color. So you can also use different color pens to make your notes look organized. So yeah, these were all the tips that I wanted to share with you guys. These are not anything crazy. Of course, you can write the title in many different ways, but I didn't want to overwhelm you with a lot of choices. I've only shared the ones that will make things look the prettiest, in my opinion, with very simple efforts. So I hope that you enjoyed this video and found it valuable. You can also follow me on Instagram. I go by the name book_junction, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye. Oh, by the way, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you liked my content, and definitely hit the like button. It will make me know that you actually enjoyed it. Bye bye.